Well, hey guys, if you're looking for a great outdoor seating area, this is one I highly recommend you check out. I want to show you guys how we put all this together and then even go over what it all looks like. So let's dive in. So I want to start off with just this unboxing, just to kind of show you what's in there. You have, you can see these cushions are vacuum sealed in there, and then you have the actual pieces for, the couch sectionals and stuff like that. So we're going to go ahead and put this together, move it up on our deck right here, and we're gonna see what it looks like. I'm gonna show you how to put all this stuff together and then what it looks like at the end as well. So once we unbox everything, this is what it looks like. What you'll need to do is just kind of organize everything. It should have all of the labels on there, and that's super helpful because you'll need that in a minute. The most convenient way and the best way that I found is to lay the item down like this, and you will just connect a few screws and bolts, and it's really easy. Again, just putting these screws and nuts together as well. So you got a few screws and nuts, and then also a few just kind of screw into the chair itself. And so you can kind of get an assembly line going. That's pretty much what we did. We really got this assembly line rolling. So each of us were kind of putting these chairs together like this, and that really was helping us kind of streamline everything and get it going pretty quickly. But once you get all the screws in, and again, you're going to put them on all those little places, then you'll put the feet on them. That's what I'm actually doing right here. So again, it's super easy to do that. And I would also say it's pretty easy to put together. My kids actually enjoy doing this kind of stuff. You can see my son right here, he enjoys doing that. So it's pretty good, and the kids can actually help with this. But this is what the inside does look like. And to tighten these down, I do recommend you kind of getting one of these little like snake options right here. I will have a link for that down below. If you're interested, you can check them out down there. But it's super helpful. That way you can get in there, tighten these down, and it works really well just to kind of go behind yourself, get everything nice and tight, and you're not having to move everything around. But after a few minutes, you can see right here, we're starting to make some progress getting multiple of these seats together. I will say there are some of them that are actually corner pieces, so be wary of that. There's 2 corner pieces, so you got to make sure those are going to be a little bit different than the rest, but most of them are going to be just the regular chair option, and so you want to just make sure that you know how to do that, and then you're just going to replicate that a few times. But you can see here the 2 corner pieces right there. And then also it has a piece for the glass. This is what it looks like when you're opening up the cushions. What you're going to do is open these up, and you want them to kind of sit for about 24 hours. And that's what we did, just to make sure it's all nice and it will inflate all the way, because it was really small and compact when they were able to ship it. And also someone sent this for us to check out. That's why we're super excited about it. They saw our new back deck with the cover over it, and they said they wanted to send this so they could see what it looked like. But you can see this is what it actually looks like once we were finished. Again, the cushions are still inflating right now, so it will take them about 24 hours. And they also have these little clips on here, so you can clip the chairs together, which is nice. It's super convenient. So if you want to keep it as like a sectional, you can do that. Or if you want to have it where some of these are together, or if they're all separate, whichever one you want to do, you can do that as well. So it's really convenient for that purpose. They also have these little small pieces that are going to go into your table. You want to make sure you put those in there, and that's what your glass is going to kind of rest on. So it's going to sit right inside there, making sure everything is nice and neat. But as far as the setup, I don't think it's a very hard job. It is just a little tedious, and the more people you can get to help is really nice, and you'll be able to knock it out a lot faster. All right, guys, so you saw how we put it together. One thing I do like about it, it wasn't hard to put together. My wife and I and my kids were able to put this together, within an hour, which is really cool and nice. I like it because it's pretty heavy duty. It's just like heavy duty wicker kind of stuff. I can see it, possibly breaking at some point if you ever hit it really hard, or it might break down over time. But right now, I think it looks really good. It feels really good as well. And just a reminder, I know I said in the video, but there are some like corner pieces that you see right here. There's a couple of these corner pieces that you got to be careful of, just making sure you know which ones those are. But I think it's really cool. It's really nice. I like how you can move everything around. So you can move these around. So if you want it to sit like this, or I have another piece right there that you can't even see in the shot. But if you want to put that one over there, you could make a sectional, or if you want to make just 1 or 2 pieces, or everyone has their own individual. There's so many different options for that, and I think that is really cool. Also, I like the straps on the back of these, so they're going to stay there, which is really nice. I think the cushions are really good. They came flat, and then they're able to open up. So it's been about 24 hours since we did it, so you can see that they are fully open now. And then again, the top, you know, feels good. Like I said, feels like the heavy duty wicker. I think that looks good, feels good. I like the look of it. I think it looks a lot nicer right here than we did have earlier. And so that's a really cool design. I like the little table here as well. Super easy on that. Remember to put the little, you know, rubber pieces in there. So that's super helpful for you. That way, again, you won't break it or anything. So, but overall, I think this thing is great. It's really cool, really nice. My kids and I all like sitting out here the last few days, and it's super easy to put together. And it works really well. I also like how you can clip them together. We have these two clipped, so that way we can keep them. Or if you want to, you know, again, have them all undone and be able to move them all around, you can do that, and then move them all around, so that way, you know, they're all kind of, you have your own seat. So it's really cool, really nice, heavy duty. I like them. They look good, feel good, and I think this is a great option. If you're interested in any type of, you know, outdoor furniture like this, or you want to put it under a gazebo near your pool, whatever that might be, this is a great one. I highly recommend you check it out. I will have a link down below for this. You can check that out down there as well. And if this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.